Another one. We the best music.
I feel like every minute I feel like Tashaney, fix up the vocabulary. I'm gonna add it to my list of goals that I know I'm gonna achieve, because everything I write down, I know it comes true. I have been up working as per usual because I'm working on something special. Something special to me, something that's going to be even special for you. I'm the queen of being delusional, because every time I've been delusional, my delusions have come true. Clack there. But we have more stuff. Really curious to know what this is. I know what it is. I got myself some black hangers to go into my wardrobe. If you guys don't know already, I have been living in a set, probably 2 to 3, probably 4 maximum outfits for the past, since this year has started. It's because I refuse to buy myself clothes until I get to my desired weight. Weight loss journey video coming soon. But my clothes are getting, for example, this. I got this in Malta. It was my favorite thing ever. Now it don't fit. It's baggy. I couldn't walk out with this without having to wear something underneath it, because but anyways, I don't want to give you guys too much information just yet. I just wanted to come on here to let you guys know that I'm going to do some weekly vlogs, and my weekly vlogging might consist of like 3 days. I'm going to try to aim for 2 days right now of me trying to get out of my place, because right now I'm solely just in here. Again, I'm producing, I'm creating on this specific product that I'm literally just like, I can't wait till I launch this. It's been 2 months coming up to, and I'm super excited. But again, I have sacrificed so much of my time. I have reacted on so many random thoughts. For example, I moved to Bangkok. I'm in Thailand. I have my own apartment in the space of 2 days because I needed somewhere to stay. There was nowhere within my time range that felt suitable for my budget. What did I do? I manifested my own place, because I did not want to be that person, the same person, that old version of me that constantly is, I'm here, I'm there. 1 minute I'm in South, next minute I'm in Northwest, I'm in Belgium. I'm everywhere. Like, I don't like it. Like, now I can actually settle down. Like, girl, you have your place now. Lock in. There is no one here that can distract me. I am my only distraction. What I'm trying to say is, I'm gonna do my weekly vlogs, and I'm gonna start showing up as the higher version of me. I'm starting from a 0, literally. For you guys, you actually get to see my bottom. Well, yeah, if you scroll down into my channel, you actually get to see my bottom. Not literally, but you get to see my bottom, and you get to see the progress of me about to get on top. I'm about to be on top of the game. I actually love that for me. I love that for you, because if you're watching my content, that means you're also working on yourself, and you are about to reach higher levels. You are about to be her. Literally, you're about to be her. We're gonna be those girls. I'm gonna start recording every day, but out of those 2 days, I want to actually do something that's outside. Like, I don't want to be trapped in here. Like, I actually also need me time. I don't want to, what's the word? I don't want to burn out. Do you know how many times I've burned out in life? Oh my God, I don't want to burn out. And I am in another country, so I am actually going to go out there, outside, go outside, explore, have a little bit of me time, and actually do things that my higher self will actually do. I'm actually quite excited to take you on this journey. But for now, I'm opening my packages. Okay, it starts now. I'm so sorry to interrupt the nice little blag that thing going on and the cute music, but I bought this thinking that a miniature version was gonna come. This is the Vaseline Dewy Radiance, because I actually didn't bring cream with me, and I was told that I need to bring cream with me because apparently they have whitening agents in them. But you can't go wrong with a bit of Vaseline. They were having a sale. I bought this for 2p, 2 British pence. But don't get it twisted. Thailand, everyone says, oh, Thailand is so cheap. Thailand is cheap in certain things. Not everything, but the housing might be cheap, but to do your grocery shopping and stuff, you might want to stay in England. But anyways, 2p. 2p. Okay, back to the vlog. What is this? I don't know.
20 vision. Cupid hit me with precision. I wonder if you look both ways when you cross my mind. I said I'm sick of
That's my good bra in there. It better not mash it up.
It's always running through my daydreams. I can only see your face when I close my eyes.
Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? It's raining. I'm set about to go to war.
Another
You're
one.
out making love, don't think I'm not.
We the best music. DJ Cat.
I hope you know about the tagging. You know this cookie's for the bagging. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Down is nothing but a rocket. Down is nothing but a shot.
If you claim you want me, he ain't been calling me. Well, guys, I'm having a good day.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas? I'm looking for the hoes. We're playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound Town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah.
Okay, it's wash day, it's cleaning day. I'm about to get ready because I still haven't eaten. It's 2:20 p.m. I'm about to get myself some food, go for a walk, because at least then I can say that I stepped outside today, come back, and we are going to look into our money goals and our business goals, our building our online empire goals. But before I do that, before I can literally just put my all my energy and everything, time, love into this, I need to make sure I eat something because already I feel a bit tired, I feel a bit drained. So come with me to 7-Eleven. I think that's where I'm going. Oh girl, I lied. I haven't done my morning affirmation. So we're going to quickly just read my daily wisdom. I always read it before I start my day, or even if I don't read it when I start my day, I always read it before I leave my house, because if I leave my house without reading it and I go out there and somebody reflects bad energy onto me, I'm gonna feel. But if I read this, then I have already in my head that, okay, I remember that this told me this today, so I'm gonna bear this in mind and I'll just go about my day. But we are on day 184. Today's affirmation, it will be you know, every time I come on camera to read out an affirmation, my words stutter. I need to work on that. So I feel like I'm going to share my affirmations with you guys a bit more often because I'm working on talking to the crowd, I guess. Maybe that's what that feels like to me. It's like I'm talking to a crowd. It's like I'm on stage speaking to 100, 1,000, whatever many people. So I just stutter a lot. I need to have confidence. I have confidence. Let's do this. I'm gonna post it right here so you guys can read it with me. It says here, it will all be worth it in the end. Notice before I even got here to read this, I was talking about I need to go out and get some food before I lock in to my business goals, my money goals, my la la la. It will all be worth it in the end. It is the darkest storm that the light of hope shines brightest. When you are going through your lowest, darkest moments, remember the light of hope. Allow it to guide you and give you comfort. Allow it to reassure you and give you peace. Everything will work out. It will all be okay in the end. Everything you are going through is for a worthy cause. Who you are becoming is great. Where you are going is great. and you are setting a legacy that will outlive you. People will hear of your story and believe they too can make it. People will believe because you chose not to give up. Your faith is so critical for the rest of the journey. People that you do not know will find inspiration from your determination and will not give up in the midst of hardship. Do not lose hope and do not give up. This has to be a sign. I love signs, but it is the 8th of September. It is Monday. Since I've been here, I've been trying to look in. I feel like I'm gonna cry. This book really does talk to me. It's like one little affirmation a day. It does so much for me, especially when you're a high believer in yourself, when you're so delusional that you can get to your goals, like regardless. Like, you have to be unrealistic for your goals, your dreams to be realistic. You have to be unrealistic, and you have to make the most unrealistic goals. They may seem unrealistic right now when you're talking to people in life, but to me personally, my unrealistic goals are so realistic. Like, I know me, Big Tash, can go and get all of those goals ticked off the list. It seems unrealistic to other people, like the people, your environment, the people that you're surrounded by. Just know that when you share your goals with these individuals that believe that you have unrealistic goals and they feel, let me not say they feel like, but you know that they're giving you that little side eye. They're like, yeah. Like, it's not really coming from the heart. Like, in their head, they're thinking, this girl is so delusional. Yes, I'm so delusional, and I'm going to remember the time where you had no faith in me, blah, 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 blah. Not really, I don't necessarily care. But then again, for me to share my goals with you, then I kind of did care about you. What I'm trying to say is, when you have goals that you want to reach in life, make them unrealistic, because when you make them unrealistic, it's like you find a way to work harder. But for me, as much as how can I say this? I enjoy working on things that I love, but I don't believe in working hard. I believe in working smart. So I always think of ways that I can work smarter. I feel like I've gone off topic. Did I not? I don't know. I just went off on one. Oh, not me wasting time. This is gonna have to be one video. Guys, I'm gonna take it to 7-Eleven with me, but I'm gonna end it when I get back. I always try to get my videos to under 15 minutes so that I don't bore you guys, but if you guys want more than 15 minutes, let me know. My daily affirmation, because I didn't actually finish the page. My vision is worth the fight. My goals are worth my pursuit. I value the gift inside of me. I am grateful I was chosen to use this gift. I will use my journey through to the end. Amen. Literally, my vision is worth the fight. I have a vision. I always say in my videos that I have a vision, and the vision is blurry, but every day I wake up, it's like the blur, it slowly disappears. It's like I'm slowly walking, I'm heading towards, I can see the higher me. It's coming. I don't know when. I don't need to know when. But as long as I'm showing up for me and I'm putting the work in for me, girl, I got this. I got this. I have faith. Yeah. My goals are worth my pursuit. I didn't know that here in Thailand, again, I'm trying to be in my confidence bag, so raising the camera higher, but I didn't know that here in Thailand that jaywalking is illegal. I haven't done it, I'm not going to do it, but I'm telling you this because all this time I thought jaywalking was called jail walking. I've been calling it jail walking for years. These are my favorites. I'm forgetting that the whole reason why I came in here was to get noodles, toilet roll, and fairy liquid. This is what I got. This is the original version, normal sizing. They gave me
a jumbo size.
The benefits of living in